The new COVID-19 variant was detected in North Texas over the weekend, and county leaders believe there could be dozens or hundreds of cases that are already here. Nicole Nielsen breaks down how it spreads and what you need to know about its arrival.
The CDC explains that coronaviruses are named for their crown-like spikes on their surfaces. But as COVID-19 is replicated, small differences have arisen in those spike proteins.
Every time they infect a cell to produce more virus, their genetic material has to replicate many times, and they make a lot of errors in that replication.
Scientists are monitoring changes, including these spike proteins, which show how it spreads and what happens to those infected. They believe it's those slight changes in form that make the variant latch more easily to your cells.
That's likely part of the explanation for these new variants that are spread more readily.
Because of its unique structure, it's not only statistically believed to be 70% more contagious, but also less detectable. The FDA has since released a warning to beware for false negative COVID tests.
Some of the tests that we are currently using are a little less sensitive.
Dallas County Health and Human Services Director Dr. Philip Wong says the case found in Dallas was a sort of lucky find after some tests were sent off to a special lab.
And there are some other specialty labs that are able to do that sequencing. So that's what happened with this. But not every test is tested for that.
That's because only some labs have the capability. For that reason, on top of its contagious nature, experts worry wrong test results may spread the variant further.
So if somebody comes in with signs and symptoms, or they've had an exposure and it comes up negative, then a clinician needs to question and do additional testing.
In Fort Worth, Nicole Nielsen, CBS 11 News.